Ho, Hawk. Ho. Ho.
Hawk, come here.
Oh.
Walk, walk, walk. Walk, boy. Walk, walk. 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 Come here. Ho. No, in the commercial he's taking it around the house every day. They're saying if you want to watch it on the TV.
No, they're not.
Whatever, but isn't that...
Are you talking to him?
What?
Are you talking to him?
Yeah.
And he is.
He's doing alright so far, though.
I'll tell you, most of them will get a little feisty in this cool weather. Tari was a little feisty this morning too. Really?
Oh, he's spooked.
Whoa.
The car scared him, I think. I think a car scared him.
Dominique, work him down at the other end. Work him down at that end. He doesn't like that end.
What'd she say?
There's a bright blue string.
Oh, down there.
Instruction.
I know, it's horrible because when Caitlin fell, you know, it's like everything to control yourself. You don't go out there like an idiot. And instead, I'm trying to tell the kid, okay, you're not hurt so bad, get back on the horse. I think after she sliced her fingers, everything was okay.
That must have been so scary. But he's cantering pretty nicely there. That was good.
He's lining. If she can take him out here.